Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Miss Ann and Pam, I have a I don't know if you see these smaller blocks here. These are an update to the order flow.
Okay.
You guys see those?
Yes.
Those are imbalances. So what happens is you'll see the buyer dots and the seller dots come in.
Yeah.
And then it will print these boxes at the end of the candle and tell you where the imbalance is. So if price wants to go down, normally it will push down and then come back and fill that box. And then come down.
Okay.
This is on a smaller time frame as well. So this is on the 5 minute here, but now you know that you got an imbalance, and normally price will fill those imbalances. Not always, but a lot of times it will. So I created this. I remember I told you guys I was going to do it because we didn't have anything that was showing imbalances in it. I mean, it just shows the numbers color different for the imbalances. So I was just like, it's just not easy enough to read. So right here we have a imbalance right here, and we just filled that. Do you guys see that?
Mm-hmm.
And you see what happened out of it? It's a green imbalance, which means what? It's buyers, right? You're getting a bounce out of it. Not necessarily that it's going to go up, but we're getting a bounce. So far, we have this right here to go long. I'm just waiting to see what this does.
Cool. What time frame is the second volumetric on?
This is on a 1 minute. I haven't like played with it yet, so I mean, I don't know if you get 2 minute imbalances, but I figured if I'm going to trade a 5 minute time, if I'm looking at the 5 minute direction, I probably want to enter in on the 1 minute. Yeah, this got 2 minutes right here. There's a 2 minute right here, so the other 1 minute is down here.
Neat.
Alright, let me log in here. Do what now? So now I'm having a hard time logging into Apex? No, there it goes. Let's make sure we're not having any problems this morning. I logged into the live first. Trading the live as the lead account. Apex is a copy account. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Looks like we're just gonna keep pushing down. Huge gap down tonight. Here's the TD Alpha, guys, that I set up to trade automatically. It's up 875. So I am automating a few of the indicators that we built. But if we look at this, I mean, this was a bust. Of course, this went long. And this one went short. This one went long. This one went short. This one went long. This one went into drawdown or went stopped out here because your stop is right above these signals. Right, so not looking too bad on this this one here. So big massive sell down through the night. Crazy. Let's go ahead and take a look at this thing here. We have some imbalances here. We have one here, it's not filled yet. We have a buy imbalance here, it's not filled yet. And we have one here that we broke through. We'll see if this candle creates another one. I don't think we get to pull back at the open. I think we're going to push down further. Everybody keeps trying to buy the bottoms here, and they keep getting smoked. Like, these guys, like, bought here. It worked, but then they got taken out. They bought here. They got taken out. They bought here. They got taken out. Right? We're already at 50% of this candle, this engulfing candle with a wick on the bottom. I think we still may see some more room to the downside. So those of you, a friend of mine asked me to build out a SAR indicator for him. So I did. I don't know if you guys know what the SAR is. Yeah. If you have a rhythmic, you have to log in, or if you can't log in and you're not getting anything, you need to make sure that you need to make sure that, yeah, your contracts are signed. If your contracts are signed, they're not going to work. Yeah. So anyways, he asked me to build out this SAR, right? This SAR indicator. And I built it out, guys. You go in a classroom. The candle tracker is now here too. There's a video here to watch. Did I don't know if I put the SAR in here or not. Maybe I didn't do it. Oh, it's over here. There's a TD SAR on steroids, guys. So, also there's a video here. It shows you how, what I did and how I put it together. You can go watch that video if you want to. I'm going to show you that why we're 15 minutes before the market opens. We're pushing down. We keep building these buying balances, but we're not going anywhere yet. Whoa! Okay, my Ninja Trader just died. What the heck, dude? Give me 1 second. Logging back in. I don't know what did that. Doesn't want me to trade. We're coming back in. I bet it was Apex. It crashed me. I probably need to start trading TraderDan accounts for Apex instead of Rhythmic.
Dan. How do you change Rhythmic to TraderDan?
You would have to buy TraderDan accounts.
But you still keep your Apex accounts.
Yeah, you can still keep them, but you can't have more than 20 accounts. Alright, let's try and log into... Maybe I'll just start with Tradeify this morning. Alright, I'm in the TDF accounts. Let me set these up real quick so we can trade them. Alright, cool. Alright guys, let me show you this real fast. Hopefully I don't get logged out again. Let me pull up. So SARS. Yeah.
Hey Dan, you still trading with Apex? Or you just bought a bunch of accounts from them?
I got a bunch of accounts, yeah.
Yeah, just post a link in the chat. You might want to have a watch.
What happened now?
Well, have a watch. Basically, they will pay out if you pay out the days that they used to have you accumulate and pay you out in hundreds or a lot of money is not happening anymore. So basically, after somebody pay out, they move to live account. So you can have like 20 accounts, they just move to one live account. And in order for you to unlock those amounts, you have to make way more than what you need to even draw out that amount of money. But have a watch of
Yeah, I'll
the
look
link
at
I
it.
sent you.
I'll look at it. Thank you, Ann.
So I would say if you want to, don't invest too heavily, just a few accounts. It's not looking good. I mean, they'll pay you, but number one is slow payout. Number two is it's not going to be as much as you think they used to.
Right.
Oh, brilliant. I've got 20 of them.
All right. Well, I'm looking for the SARS indicator. I'm not seeing it here. Give me 1 second. I thought I left the chart open so I could go over it this morning. We only got 9 minutes before the open here. Where are you at, dude?
I mean, if you really want to, I would say concentrate on the other account like Lucid, TPT, TradeDefy, even Bulanox, and less on Apex. I mean, you should probably still have some if you want to, but I wouldn't count on, much of that.
All right. Let me just put it on here, guys. We got 8 minutes till the open here. Let me do guys, this TD SARS indicator that I built will also be a bot. I'm almost done building the bot out for it. It's got a very high win rate. Where are you at, dude? Let me type it in up here. I was gonna make some money this morning, guys. Imagine the market's gonna move a little bit today. All right, well, I loaded it. No, I didn't. All right, so here's the SARS indicator, guys. Real quick, it's pretty easy to read, right? The biggest thing about the SAR indicator is people always didn't know when to get in. Like, when do I trade? Question mark. When do I trade? Right? Or when do I put in the trade? When do I get out of a trade? So we're on a 5-minute time frame, and of course, you're gonna have a bigger stop loss. But the idea is, I went in and I put in when you should get in. Right? When you break above these blue dots, you're looking for longs. When you're looking below these blue dots, you're looking for shorts. Pretty self-explanatory, right? It's not self-sabotage. When you take these trades, your goal is to get in and either determine who you are as a trader, right? Will you get chopped up? Every now and then you will. Like, this is right at the open. Right, you got a short, it went down into profits. Got a long, went into profits. Got nothing here, and then you got the short. We took that short yesterday, and of course it went down, and we won some money, and I was able to recoup my winnings back. On 2 accounts, I didn't get them all back. So, but anyways, this kind of gives you the inside scoop. If we're breaking below this level, that's a shelf, and that's a shelf. That's like your range, right? So when you break below it, you either want to go short or you're going to buy out of that and go long, right? So you got to determine who you are as a trader. Are you in for 20 points, 30 points, 40 points? I can't tell you what to do. Are you going to get in on the next pullback, right? Whatever the case may be. But this is the SAR on steroids. Why is it on steroids? Well, I added a couple things into it. It's not normal, right? Because these would be choppy on a normal SAR indicator, and a normal SAR indicator doesn't give you buy and sell signals. So why didn't we sell up here? Why didn't we buy here? Why didn't we? We're staying out of the chop, right? We got to break. This is the way I put it together. We got to break through this to get a short. We got to break through that to get a long, right? So this is when we go into the consolidation area, right? So you got to think of it this way. Consolidation, breakdown. Consolidation, look, we broke up, right? So what are we trading? We're trading the impulse. We're trading the impulse breakout of the move. You're not getting caught up in the chop. I'm trying to keep us out of that, right, in this indicator. So over here, you had a small breakout of the zone. Look, zone. We got a short signal, then we got a long out of the bottom. If you don't take it here, you're looking for the break of this, and then you're getting in. We actually went long on that wick the other day without this being here, right? It didn't even have this built. So anyways, pretty cool indicator, right? Pretty cool indicator. If you want it, it's going to be available. I just got to get it compiled, and I am turning it into a bot. So maybe you can use it to help you pass accounts and do whatever you need to do there. So not too shabby, guys. That's the TD SAR. It's a SAR on steroids, literally. Well, it looks like we're going to continue to push down. We just swept the bottom and put in a new bottom. This may be a bear trap, right? Get the guys selling and then boom, take them out. Buyers got exhausted here. Sellers, they exhausted the buyers, so they brought price lower.
Oh, you tried in 1 minute, either.
I have a 1 minute here and a 5 minute here.
Okay. What am I trading? 1 or 5 then?
We have an imbalance up here, so a buy side imbalance is right here. It won't be surprised if we run up and grab this real fast. We have more buy side imbalances above us. There's one here. There's another one here, right above, right below it. Market's almost ready to open here, guys. 1 minute here. We just hit that buy side imbalance. We also hit the sell side imbalance. So, I mean, this was a get buyers in. This was a pullback to this sell side. We'll see if they can continue to push down at the open, or do they really spike this thing back up. We are at 29,675 on the low. Here we go, guys. Market is open. Looking to sweep the lows again. There it is. Sweep the low. We're trying to push lower here. $1,100 sellers, 1,200 sellers in that bar. Am I lagging out? What's price at? 29.7. I am lagging out right now. Give me a second. Let me reload. I got lagged out here on M&Q. A lot of contracts here being traded on M&Q. All right, what's going on here? Price is up at 734. We swept the low. We're not down here, guys. Here it comes. They swept the low and we're up in the long side. Just like I was saying there. We are at 750. Still, we're up here. Let's see if this thing can catch up. I might have too many of these open. $735, $738. We're back to 713. Well, that was a swipe of the low for the long, and now it's pulling back. We are down here, guys. Let me see if I can get us to catch up here. I am lagging out pretty bad here, guys. Reloading. We're going down 29,650, guys. This thing is lagged out so bad, guys. We're down here at 637. This is screwing my trading up. Now the question is am I getting lagged out from Tradify because I'm in the live? Or is that indicator I put on lagging me out? Alright, we're almost caught up. 651. We got to drop down to 625 first. I logged out of Tradify and all of a sudden my data is speeding up. There it is. Okay. 673. We're back up in this area. Alright, we're caught up.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order.
Let me new 5-minute bar is already open and we're still pushing on this bar. So I don't like the way maybe I need to take this off. Wonder if this is lagging me out. It worked great last night, so I don't understand. Maybe there's a lot more volatility into the market. But let's see. Yeah, new 5-minute bar is already pushing back up, guys. I can't trade like this. All right, let me just get rid of these two charts. We'll keep this one. Maybe I have too many open. Let me yeah, all right, 5-minute. Pushing back up, guys. We haven't gone anywhere yet. All right, so price now 702. All right, we're somewhat caught up here. Yeah, that new indicator reads the volumetric on the order flow might be too much. I might have too much information in on it. Oh. That is exactly where we're at. Why isn't this showing my price line though? We're getting buyers here, guys. Looking like we're getting this long, guys. Going back up to this imbalance. We just broke through the seller's exhaustion. In my live, I have no lag. Ah, we are caught up. Okay, we're caught up. I think the new indicator built's grabbing too much information. It was lagging me out here. Guys, we got a long here. I'm going to try this long.
Order filled.
Oh, great. I don't have... That's in queue. Not M in queue. Let me get out of this.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out. This is supposed to be M in queue, not in queue, guys. I'm already at 178. All right. Why is my price line not showing up on this, guys? All right. I still like the long, guys.
Order submitted.
All right, I'm in live, all accounts here. And I didn't put in an ATM like a dummy. Here we go.
Order filled.
What just happened? I got stopped out of one of my accounts. I don't even have a stop on it. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to... I'm gonna take profit here, guys.
Order filled.
Something's going on with this account. I don't know what's going on. There's the ATM. Oh, now it shows all profit. Wow. And it doesn't even show it got stopped out. But it showed it got stopped out in my account. That is weird. Really weird. I still like the longs, guys. If we get it, we'll get a reprint, right? We'll get a turnaround back into this imbalance. Maybe even into this one. But 1,600 contracts, 1,900 contracts, that's a lot of contracts coming back in on the buy side. Really got to get above this market shift up here at 773, guys, to really see this thing kick in gear. We have a low, a high, a higher low. So far, I like to get to this box. 773, right up in this area, though. We got to get above this block right here. So now we could retest this purple one Let's see. We may get a little rotation to the downside here. I am caught up on price. 710, 711, 713. Yeah, I'm caught up on price. I'm pretty sure that volume metric indicator that I built, man, it really reads it, but I think it was lagging me out. Or the datas are getting crossed between the live and Tradeify, maybe. I accidentally took a trade in NQ, and yeah, I have them set up on my account, so I got up $173. And just took another $25 trade, so I'm sitting right where I need to be. But I made back the money from yesterday, but I didn't. I'm at target, but I'm a day behind, so we'll keep trading and see what this will do for us this morning. So my advice, if you're trading Rhythmic accounts, guys, only trade your Rhythmic accounts. If you're trading Tradeify, try to limit like 2 prop firms in those. Don't go any more than that. Looking to see if we retest this buy zone right here. We'll see if it holds. Right now, sellers are coming in. They just sold back what they bought, right? If you look up here, well, you can't see this number. There's 1,000 sellers there and 1,000 sellers here. They bought 1,600 on the way up. So we got almost, it's not 2 to 1, but we do got 1 to 1, 1.5 to 1. So I'm going to wait. Market's choppy right now. Hey, On, are you at home today? So only time you talk is when you're at home.
What's up?
No, I'm saying, are you at home today?
Yeah, I'm home today.
Awesome. How's work going, man? It seems like forever since I've talked to you. Got a small sell setup here. It looks like they're going to sweep the low and push down into the big buy zone again. Looking like we're going to fall down, guys. Let's see. We're trying to get down into this block. Do we retest and go long? Do they break through it and take the buyers out? Your guess is as good as mine, but we're watching it in real time. So let's see what this do here. I tell you what, M&Q has increased the volume in Delta. Like more and more people are trading real small live accounts or even big live accounts on it. Versus the NASDAQ. The contract comparison between the NASDAQ and M&Q are not even close. So what you're saying, Mr. On, is I probably need to focus on some more TBT accounts, huh?
Well, just diversify. So, I wouldn't just spend too much money on them. Just watch the video, because like when they transition to live, they put you to like all your profit being locked, and in order for you to unlock those profit, you have to like trade and win like thousands and thousands of dollars to unlock what you already won.
But isn't that after you take like 4 withdrawals or something? You get 4 withdrawals and then you go into the live? Is what I read.
Yeah, but watch the video. It's more detail in there. So
So what you're saying is the information on the account on the website is a little misleading.
of course it is.
Man, why
It's
can't
kind of
people
like,
just
you
be
know, kind of like
honest?
Top Step Live. I mean, in order for you to lock that balance, you have to make more money, and then they release another little bit of your earned money into your account, and then you have to make more for them to unlock the next level or whatever, blah blah blah. So it's similar to that, um, basically. Because, I mean, after you win like 30, 40, 100,000, I mean, they're gonna put you in a live account starting with a $3,000 drawdown. I mean, good luck.
Yeah.
I mean, it's fine, but then you have to make hundreds and hundreds of $1,000s to unlock your account. It's like, yeah.
Here it comes, guys. We're going to sweep the low again. We're in that buy zone. Let's see if they get bought back up here. So far, we're finding some buyers out of here. Here's a bounce. 300 buyers. Can they do it? I don't know. It's choppy around between this high and this low, guys. Guys, just a word of advice. When you go to take a trade, make sure that you have, like, I don't know. I use TradingView, right? So I have TradingView up on my screen. So I'm comparing the price of TradingView, because I pay for live data on TradingView as well, to the market here. And I need to be within 1 or 2 points to make sure that when I take a trade, I'm not lagging, right? Usually I have somebody else on the other side here watching it, but I don't have that anymore. Q used to watch it all the time for me. All right, guys, we're going to sweep this low. Are they going to bid it and push lower? Three minutes to take out the purple there at 628. I just don't know if it happens.
Yeah, I've got an account that's rogue and it won't close out, and I've tried everything to try and close it out, and it's just not closing. I've tried flattening all, I've tried logging into control panel, it's just moving.
Log into your Rhythmic and back office and close it out.
My Rhythmic?
Are you? Yeah, you got a Rhythmic thing on your desktop.
You mean Apex?
Yeah. Log into Apex and flatten it. All right, guys, I think we're going to sweep it. They're starting to pick up more sellers here, 670 sellers. They're right in this buy-side liquidity, but it looks like they're going to swipe them out. I like the short now, but let's just see if they suck them in. What I don't want is just a swipe of the low and it come right back up with rejection. They might push this real hard. $6.43 current price. $6.41, $6.42. Yeah, we're breaking down, guys. They're mitigating that block. Oh, man. What do we got here? The sell, if you were going to take the sell, yeah, the sell would have been up at around 29,686.
Yeah, and any advice? I can't close this account. It's still not letting me do anything.
The only other thing you could do is log into your Arithmetic back office, and if you go look at your, I don't know if you ever loaded that onto your chart. Log out of NinjaTrader, log back in, and see if you can flatten it. Here we go, guy. Here's a sweep of the low, just like we discussed. And it looks like they're picking up more sellers there at the bottom, 2,100. Looks like this is a breakout to go lower. And I missed the short. I would have took the short right around 29, 686.50, right up here. And I did not do it right off of this. Look at the size of this wick. I was going to take it short here. Then I liked the short here, and I was like, I'm going to wait. And now it broke. We're pushing down lower. Huge gap down. I guess it's a gap down and keep pushing down. Let's see if we get this wick up. If anything, we get a retest of that white line and maybe continue to push down. There's a wick. We're back up below that previous low. Can they hold it? 400 sellers here in this candle. Got some buyers showing up here, coming back out. Guys, I'm going to take this long one time here. I'm in.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can shoot straight up through here. Come on. $949 buyers so far. We're not going anywhere. They're going to take us out, guys. Come on. We are looking a little bearish, guys. Come on, baby. 6:39. Still got a minute 50 seconds here. If we close here, I'm probably going to get out of this. If we close down below the white line. Having a little bit of trouble here, guys. I'm going to take one off here. Well, I was. Just to lighten up my risk. Come on, give me a push up
Order
here.
filled.
Still got 45 seconds to put a body to the upside on this candle if it can happen. There's 20. 30. Come on, baby. Not liking the way we keep getting shut down right here in this candle. Guys, I'm going to close this out here. I don't like the way it's moving. Let me guess, it's going to push up now that I got out. So far, I like the way this looks to the upside. I need to get back in. Let's see if they can break through here. Oof, I got out. Yeah, let's see. Godly Moses, they just took it right back below the block, so I don't want to be in the long. I mean, they're buying them here. We need to see that red flip green again. Here it comes again, guys. I'm going to try it one more time. I'm in the long again.
Order submitted.
Let's see if it can break up this time.
Order filled. Target order filled.
Oh, there we go.
Order filled.
I'm in one. Sweet. Let's go, baby Jesus. Let's go. Look at this. I'm negative, like jumping around. So the bid and ask is jumping around so much. Guys, I'm going to take this off. I don't like the way this is jumping around right here. I'm out. That was a nice trade. I got 20 points on that. Look at this. We just flipped that candle to 858. This one's got 3,200 in it. It should just get bought and push. Damn it, Dan. Here we go again. Getting bid 4,300 contracts. I'm going to put in just one here. We're going to limp in with one contract. We'll see if we're hitting that midline of this area. I don't know if they just suck buyers in and they rip it back down. Your guess is as good as mine, but what I don't like is we're working against the ABC swing here. So this is a C right now. That's an ABC swing to swing lower. That's what I don't like. We need this candle to close up here, though. $4,200 contracts. Is that what they needed in order to get buyers in to sell it down? It's possible. We're not getting a turnaround here, guys. I don't know if I want to give much more of my money back. Here's 800 contracts again. Man, I tell you what, choppy chop chop. Still range bound between that low and that high. So there's one thing we're working against the fib to the downside, but we have these right here, right, that are holding us up. I will be closing this trade out. I'm not going to go much more than 100, 120 bucks. I'm out.
Order filled.
I don't like it, guys. I don't like it. I clearly don't like the way we keep bouncing this bottom, but we're getting now 3,200 on the sell side. So ideally this thing pushes down. Ideally this pushes down. Are we going to hold it here? Oh, look at this. I took that loss for nothing. And there is a lot of contracts in this range. I think I'm going to try this long again. We're back above the buy zone. This is crazy, man.
Order submitted.
Come on, go with it. They're going to suck it down and sweep the low again. Guys, they're holding this up. They got me in again. And now I'm getting ready to take a bigger loss on this. This is just garbage, man. Oh, this is going to go short. Every time they get in here, they flip it green and then they run it back red. All right, I'm out again, guys. I'm just getting beat up here. Let this get out of
Order
here.
filled.
Woo! Come on now! We should go back up, guys. The supply zone is up there quite a ways. I cannot believe they want to short this bottom here like this. God, it's so hard to short this with the market being down so low, man. Even though the trend is to the downside, they're looking for a pullback. I mean, that wasn't much of a pullback right here, right? That was a pullback. This is the swing, so we come down lower. Where do we go? Let's mark it up. I swear we should hit that upper box. It'd be this low here that we just put in. This probably breaks free and comes right down to here, guys. $530, $550, $29,500, guys.
Connection lost.
What? It's falling apart, guys. 4,200 sellers. They're just hitting it. I mean, you got a small run here. We are at the 4-hour low. This is another reason why I was thinking we were going to pop out. That is a 4-hour shelf right there where we're at. I just don't, I mean, I'm blown away right now. We're just pushing down. We have another 4-hour bottom right here. Are they going to swipe these two 4-hour lines? $2,100 buyers. $3,000 contracts in that 5-minute bar so far. Come on, baby. What are we doing here, man? Gonna turn here at 30 minutes. Are they setting it up for another pullback for a swing, guys? Right? Down, back up. This is a 4-hour wick and a 4-hour wick. That would be your short right there. Getting bid here right now. Retesting the bottom of this break. Ooh, next one's gonna be a doozy. Yeah, 5-minute bar just closed. Equal. We may be pushing back up here, guys. Take Profit Trader accounts got 50% off right now, guys. Here it goes again, right? This is back into that long setup that I was trying to take earlier. Is this a pullback to go further short, though? We are making lower lows and lower highs. Is this candle just going to eat up this wick and come down? Are they going to suck them up here? Trying to reverse this, guys. That's what they're trying to do here. I'm gonna take this long.
Order submitted.
Can they inverse it? Why in the hell am I negative when I was am I lagging again? 639, yeah, I'm lagging. What the hell, dude? 640. This is not cool, man. Freaking lagging, man. Come on, bro. A lot of up and down shit here, man. And I've been lagging in and out here. We're back to price now. 30.59. Well, it was. Come on, get through this, guys. Look at the buyers coming in. Look at all the buyers here. 900 to 1,000. There's the first one. Look at that. It didn't even fill. It filled the other ones, but didn't fill that one. Look at the buyers. Now we should go. We'll see. We still got a little bit to get through here. A lot of sell side liquidity here. This is where they ate us up last time. We couldn't get through this level, so... Can we punch up through it? So far, the contract showed an inversion here, but it could drop back down, guys. It can easily come right back down. If you think we're short, take profits and get into the short. If you think we're long, stay in the long. I think we're long. I'm going to stay in it, but that doesn't mean I'm right, guys. These are equal buyers, right? If we break above this guy, we have it. Okay, if we break above this 373.23, we take out exhausted sellers. Buyers are back in control. But we got to get back above that 373.23 up here. What is that price? 707. If we stay inside this range, we could easily just sell back off. They sucked in enough orders to get back in on the sell side. I don't like this, but... And I don't want to buy it up here, even though that would probably be the better deal. I'm going to drop this down to a 1 minute. Let's look and see if we're seeing an inside setup. Yeah, some people are trading this as a bear flag, right? On the smaller time frame. These numbers are what inversions look like, right? These numbers. We get above this 37.23, we get a turkey. We get a... Sound like a dead turkey. Oh, God. I'm rolling over in my grave. Got to get above this level right here, above this purple. We don't want this to get hammered to the downside. Come on, man. We don't need a pullback. We need to get above this, and then we can get the pullback. I don't want the pullback now. If we get the pullback now, that means the sellers take back control. So it could be this move, right? I don't want to see it, though, because then we could be in that move there. I really want to see it just get above these guys right here. Come on, baby. Get above there. If we can get 1,000 contracts and break that 37.23, we'll find stop losses on the sellers and we'll run up. 747 would be target on the swing. We still got a ways to go. This zone right here. It's going to be hard. It's going to be hard. But if we can get above these guys, we got a good chance to get a right to it.
Dan, is on still in
Yeah, he's still here.
there? Ask him about that Apex. You said he was going to put it in school. I can't find it.
No, it's in the chat here.
Oh, chat. Oh, okay.
Oh, come on, dude. Give me a break. Give me a break. Let's go. They're going to run these wicks, guys. They're going to come down below these wicks. They got to come get this money. If they don't, they pump it. If they come down, we can get in a better position if we get out now. But if they pump it, we're buying up here. So I'm only on one contract. Maybe I'll layer in one more if they push down and get down into this bottom here. Here we go with the bullshit, man. I don't like this, guys. Want a whole price? We need buyers to do it. Come on, man. Let's go. Now, they just ran everybody's stops. That got real tight. I almost put mine in there, so I would have got taken out. Trying to give it a benefit of doubt, but we can't get wicked out right here. We got to get above this level, guys. If this is going to go, we got to get above this level. If not, we roll back down. I don't want them to come after this wick now. Because if they do that, then it's going to drop down further. They'll be coming down to these two. Come on, rat bag. Break it out. Wow, man. We're holding this level hard, and there's a lot of buyers in this. A lot of liquidity on the buy side right here. All this liquidity, you can see it. Look, all the contracts coming in. But it's against these that sell, so we are coming into somewhat of a balance right here. Here we go with the bullshit. Rip it, dude. Rip it. Come on, get above that 255 and give me a... That 255 takes us into that 37.23 if we can get it. Never just go straight up, does it? Only when we're not in the trade. Yeah, man. This is insane. Just manage your trade or your risk, guys. No matter what you do, if you're in the trade, just manage it. If you got out and got profit, congratulations. If you think we're short and you're on the other side and you're fading me, awesome too, right? We just cannot look at the amount of buyers in here. We cannot just do it. Look at this crap, dude. Back to our entry. Come on, man. We're pulling back, selling down on 400, 500 contracts to the long side. I don't get it. And they can come down and find buyers. There's a pin bar. Can we get an extension off the pin bar? Or are we going to just get a down bar to eat up that pin bar and come down? Here comes the pin. Yeah, they're going to eat it up. Wow, man. This is a flippin' joke. Back into the buyers here. Are we going to get a move or we're not going to get the move, guys? Breaking down. Once again, these contracts that came in, they could just be using that to get buyers in to get the sell side back in play. I'm starting not to like it. Let's see if they can bid it out. $586 contracts. That's nothing to be mad about right there. All right, guys. Well, insane, guys. Back into the top or the bottom of the ORB there, or that line of the opening range low of the 5 minute. Retesting it. We're going to break lower. This is sick, man. Look at all the buyers we had, and we're just there selling them back. Definitely not in an upward move at all. It's starting to look that way anyway. Maybe I get a bounce and can get out of it. Insane, man. All right, guys. Well, they got all these buyers in and they're taking them out. I told you that if they broke through here, they were going to come down to these wicks. So, back down here in the 17s again. Can we get a rejection here? It does not look like we're going to. I don't see the seller box yet. It may be coming in here. We're in that area where, hey, are we putting in more sellers here so we could buy it back up? It doesn't look like that's going to happen. Yeah. Is this going to pull back and give me an opportunity to get out, or is it going to, I have to cut the trade and just go into the short side? That's a C phase for a long if the buyers show back up. But that's a C phase for a short as well up here. That's a C phase, right? If this wants to do the long, it does it here. Or this just breaks down. It'd be nice if it comes back up and retests. Well, I gotta cut this off, guys. I'm out.
Order filled.
This is really gay, man. If this breaks down after having all these buyers come back in, that's going to be insane, man. We're back down into this 39, 37 area where these sellers came in. Flipping insane, man. Wow. Guys, this is going to run everybody out again. 540.
Order submitted.
I'm in the short. Come on, do it. Just push it straight down. Come on. Right into the buy zone. Something's got to work here. Push it. Everybody's freaking buying this again. Wow, man. This is just flipping insane, guys. We cannot get a follow-through or a breakout or a push to save our lives, and we get the buyers, and now we're buying them here. Look at this. Now they're buying them here, 500 contracts. Well, it looks like we're just going to stay in this range and chop. This is insane, man. They're still trying to buy it here. We need to absorb these buyers and push lower. This is insane, man. ES is trying to go back long, guys. Come on, flush it. Here we go. Can they do it?
Order.
All right, let's go. That's 2 off. 2 left. Come on, let's go. Come on, can you do it? Can you get to the 540? Oh my God, guys, I called that right. We flipped this. I had to lose again to do it, though. We just swept the low. That's a 4-hour line. Can we get to my box, guys? That's the question. Come on, just follow through. Don't bounce. We just want to break and go to the next one. We hit my target. I'm done on the day. That's $200 I recovered. I'm back in profits. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Just flush it. There they are. 2,500 sellers. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 2,570. Come on, baby. New 5-minute bar. We're going to put a wick to the upside. I don't like that. Just give me the wick to the downside first. Semiconductors are selling off. That's making NASDAQ heavy. All right, I'm going to kill it here, guys. I'm out.
Order filled.
508. Insane, man. Insane. Alright, guys. I'm done. We're going to get that 550 area. 550's target. Look at the buyers coming in on us push down. Are they going to run their stops? It's over 50-point drop there, guys. Choppy chop. I got one account red, guys. I couldn't get that. For some reason, it got stopped out before it went, but I don't know what happened, but it is what it is.
Dan, can I quickly ask? You know your Apex accounts. How many have you got? How many are live? And have you been refused any payouts?
I have been working on getting the PAs for them. So I have 11 accounts. 4 of them are PAs. I haven't been paid out from them since I started yet with the new set of them.
Yeah, because once you get to a live, so basically, if you've got to get past the 3,000 mark and then you're eligible to turn live.
Yeah, you go live after 3,000, then you got to make $2,500 or $2,600 to get past your trailing drawdown, and then anything after that is withdrawable.
Oh, okay.
You get up to 4 withdrawals before they give you the they put you in a live or combine your accounts and put you in a live, I guess is what Jan's saying. But I'm gonna watch that video he posted. All right, there's 540, guys, coming to it. 550 was first target, 540. Then this white line, and then this box, and then in this box we probably flip back up to the upside. I could have got more money out of that. I just wasn't patient enough. So, all right, guys, I'm going to jump off. I hope everybody has a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the morning. Rough trading, but still in profit. Rough day today. 2 losing trades. That trade right there, 4 contracts, got me right back into the money. But man, I'll tell you what, it is rough. Rough. What is what? What did the SAR do? I don't know. Hold on, I'll tell you. Did I get rid of that chart? I think I deleted the chart, guys. Yeah, I'll enlighten you with these other 2 when I'm done. Let me put this on. We'll see what the SAR said, okay? Before I jump off. I don't know. I didn't have it up, so I was focused on order flow more than anything. But if we look, hold on, coming. All right, I got it. So this would have been the SAR this morning. You had no trade here. It was still short. So the way you would trade this at the open is if you don't break above these, you would be short. Yep. The short actually happened up here at what? 10:45 last night. It pulled back. Semiconductors, guys, selling off. Nasdaq's just falling apart. So yeah, you wouldn't have had a trade here this morning. Sometimes that happens, right? Yeah. And then the true delta indicator, the TD box, which I haven't released yet. I'm gonna, guys, these are things that I built a long time ago that I have never like put out. This goes back to 7X days, but this box, right? This draws a box. And, you know, you had a long here, and then you had a short here. It won. This short didn't win. Pulled back, but this short would have won. And you're in this short. But I'm looking for a bounce out of here, guys. So this is getting a small bounce here. Got buyers showing up. The question is, are they going to be able to hold off of this level? I'm going to take this little long here. One trade, guys. Let's see if we can get a bounce here. This is the first one, though. I don't know if it's going to work. It's off this 4-hour wick.
Target filled.
I'm out of one. I'm just scalping this, guys.
Target filled.
All right, I'm out there. A little bit of money, 25 bucks. I don't trust it, guys. I just don't trust it. I really don't trust it. Right? We could swipe this one more time and then back up. This is your 4-hour zone. This is the bigger time frame. This is your 4-hour zone. We just like minced into it. Even this is the 4-hour zone from 4-hour wick to 4-hour wick. So they could buy this whole area back up. Or they could do the same thing they just did to us. Right here. We saw it, so we changed it, right? But I mean, we got in profits off the buyers, right? They came in, they bought back. We were looking to break that level. It didn't come in. The sellers came in. We got out right there. We went short and we caught the move down. Only reason I went short is because I had to play a different hat. There's those took out our buyers. No guesswork. Now you got buyers, look, buying this bottom, buying this 4-hour zone. The question is, are they going to run this back up? Retest this white line area up here, 30. A lot of people say we're extremely oversold. I don't know about that, but when you're extremely oversold, what do? They keep selling it. So, this is what I'm saying. Once the market balances out, I don't know if it balances out here in the 4-hour time frame, but once it balances out, you'll get a pop back up. Whew. Buyers again. $576 would be my target, just above this white line. Right in here, $576. That puts you back in 50% of this bar. That's why. Right? The sellers came in right here. The sellers came in here. I think you got a chance of hitting that 76 level. $29. They take 500. Yeah, if they take 500, we drop down to 350. If they take out 500 level, they go down to 350. I mean, there's nothing there. Even on the volume profile, it's just open. So I don't anticipate that. This area is a lot of resistance here. A lot of support. Resistance as it don't want to go down. Support as it wants to bounce. So, but you know what? I'm just gonna walk away. I'm gonna keep this money. It's been a shitty day. Yeah. These were my last payouts, guys, right here. So not too bad. Yeah. Yeah, that's payouts. I have another folder here. It's got them, but I don't really. Yeah, P&L screenshots. All these here. I don't post them. You know, but it is what it is. I post when I pass them, which I'm working on a couple of right now. So let's see if this pushes down, guys. One more time. You got another C phase here for a short. Buyers are trying to hold control. I'm just going to call it a day, guys. I'm going to walk away. I'm not putting in another trade. I'm going to keep my money. I'm green on the day. That red account is now only 114, so very small red. I will see you guys tomorrow, guys. Hopefully the market straightens out, and we'll be back at it again. I want everybody to have a blessed day, guys. Look at this, man. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, guys. YouTube, as always, I appreciate the people watching. If you made some money, congratulations. If you got chopped up, you know, I got a little chopped up here and there. Markets tried to stay range bound. They broke out of this range at the bottom, but it's, you know, we were able to get back in that trade and get back into green. I'm just going to walk away today. If you hit that like and subscribe button, I appreciate it. And